We reached out to the end of our course. And I recorded this course from my heart. And I did the best I could to help you and to provide advice from things that I did right, that I did wrong, to help you to find your own path if you really want to become a successful project manager. So we started talking about the profession, then we talked about the personas, we spoke about the CV, social media, interview. And it's a short course, but I hope it could help you to identify your path, your aspirations, because it will be great for you if you find the right spot, and the right spot for you, for your aspirations. This will help not only you, but the organizations and the society in general. So thank you very much for watching this course, and see you next time.